Mom bought some eggs. I'll clip one for you. What about your brother? Brother is still playing games there. Play games. You don't know how to cook. The meal will be cold in a while. Go ask your brother to wash his feet indeed. What happened to Ma Kingshan? Did you wash your feet indeed? Honey, what are you doing? Son, come! Giamo, I haven't eaten Giamo for a long time. Oh, dear! What are you doing? Can you eat this egg? Well, this egg was just laid by the rooster this morning. What about nourishing my 18-year-old son? You are too embarrassed to reach out. Did you hear that? Man my body, man my body. I am my mother's own son. I'll have some shredded potatoes. I'll have a mango. You should eat my mom's cooking too. Mom's boiled eggs are delicious. Mom's fried dishes are fragrant. Okay, and sausages. Well, it smells good. Okay, fragrance. Thank you, brother. That was steamed bread yesterday. Do you still have it? What kind of buns are steamed Wait buns? For me to get it. Aha. Aha. Eat your fart. Okay. Hey, let it go. Give rest. Here you go. Thanks, Mom. What is this? Ha 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 ha. Lettuce, eat more. Look how fat you are. You should eat lettuce. Day by day. Simply eat a sandwich. It's nice to be alone. Just watch me eat. Oh, it smells so good. Much more fragrant than lettuce. Ha ha ha. Minced meat. Their son is so domineering. Always bully Shaozi. Today I will clean up Shaozi for him. It's delicious. Okay. Oh, son, it smells good. Mom one. I'll give you one of the three. What should I eat? You cook. Don't you know how to make more? You have to make 20 buns. Can I finish it? Aha, it makes sense. Okay. Okay. It's delicious. This guy smells good. Okay. Ash, what do you mean? Ha 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 ha! Your home is the greenest tea, stimulating our mother-son relationship all day long. What are you looking at? Take a look. Take a look. Minced meat. Wow. It's so fragrant. This minced meat tastes delicious. Why don't you give this to Mom? You talk a lot. Annoying hum. This kid deserves a beating. Eat dumplings. Leave him alone. Eat more lettuce. Eat more. Eat it every day and fry minced meat. It's really as if eat it. So many chicken legs and duck legs. What? Is it for me? There's no end to it. I know you're virtual. Let me tell you something. These dishes are all made by Shaozi. You still do it. Here, put this aside. Don't worry about him. These are all yours to eat. Mom, take this clip away. Clip dish. I haven't finished yet. What are you for? Isn't it enough to eat? It's cheap for you. Bring it here. Really out of hand. Otherwise, I will knock down the basin. I haven't had enough. I still fuck. clean up here. Whoever calls me will pay me back. Oh, what? It's hopeless. What kind of medicine is this? Make a secret Coke for Shozi, ha ha ha. It tastes better with some salt. Oh, I'll go. Whoops, ha ha ha. Shozi washed her feet in it. Bro. Hey, Fred, this ginger bun. Red ginger buns. It's over 40 degrees outside today. It's so hot I bought that Coke to drink. Oh, thank you. Brother, you are so nice. Well, let me have an appetizer first. Would you like one? You eat. Stinky problem. This mango is so sweet. No matter how sweet it is, can it still taste as good as my secret cola? Drink Coke while eating mangoes. It's okay. I'll finish this mango first. I can bear it for this good show. You eat it. Eat. Okay. I'm sick of it. Finished eating. Hey. Come after eating. I'll have a fried bun. Looks delicious. It's warm. I'll go get you 2 balls. This kid deserves a beating. Brother lad, come, hey eat. Oh dear, this fried bun looks delicious. Tell me what you don't like to eat. Yes, Chan. Okay, eat the sauce bun that goes with that Coke. Well, I'll have the sauce buns first. Yeah, it's delicious. Brother, don't rush it. I won't be fooled. Come. So Chan drinks Coke. Drink. Don't drink, bro. Don't collapse. I'm really devastated. Okay. Hey, brother. Look at that. What is that? Hey. It feels like I lost that red envelope of 500 yuan yesterday. I'll take it again. Also a red envelope. The money is mine. Take it back. Oh, it's here. Over. It's over. What it's a red envelope. Yeah. Haha. How much money do you have? $1. Play. A piece is also money. Yes. Not bad. I still have ham sausage to eat today. Well, ginger pops are delicious. So fragrant. Oops. I'll have another one. I'll drink this Coke after killing one. Brother, why don't I give you a drink? You see, if you don't drink Coke after eating, see if I can cut you. This ginger bun is really delicious. So fragrant, this fish sauce bun. It's delicious. Almost there. Come and drink the Coke. Change. Then you drink. Let's drink. I'm dry. I'm bored. Okay. The show's on. What's wrong, brother? Is everything okay? Nothing to drink. Well, cheers. Are we done? Play today and choose. 1 nautical mile. A river. Choose first and then it to start. Then I will. Hey, wait a minute. I choose first. My mother is my own. I must choose first. Can you choose first? It's also in the river. What can this little fish and shrimp in the river eat? Nautical. Possibly king crab. Swimming crab. I choose nautical. Come and change. I choose nautical. Hurry up. I choose nautical. Good things in the sea. Yes. Then I'll be in the river. Mom, okay. Let me see what this is. Yo. Hey, so such a big one. Such a big fish. Your river is full of fish. Then I must be king crab here. Worst of all, swimming crab recently hit the market. Swimming crab. Possibly a lobster. Ha ha ha, it's so red. I eat nutritious. Let me see. Hey, choose first. You eat later. You have to abide by the rules of the game. Red. Obey. Have you eaten? My mom made it. Mom, do you eat mangoes? Have some mangoes first, in case it's a big lobster or something. What should I do if Shaozi steals my food? Shaozi, this fish is so fragrant. Pretty me. Stop looking and wipe your hand. Wipe that jerk. Your saliva is almost flowing into people's mouths. There is the queer egg that Chelsea bought over there. Take it over and pat it first. Who cares? I have good things in the sea. Take 2 bites. Who is shouting? Who wants to eat your food? Don't try to please me. You don't want to eat my big crab or anything. Thanks. I won't eat it. I have it. Ha ha ha. Isn't that delicious? Okay. Yum. It smells so good. Fragrance. Stinky Shaozi eats so slowly. I can't wait to eat my seafood. Yeah, it's delicious. I can't stop it. 1 bite at a time. Stop. Such delicious quail eggs. I need to eat more. This stuff has high nutritional value. I need some nutrition. Kill. Hurry up and eat your fish. You want to eat everything. It's not over. My goodness, is annoying. Ha ha ha. It's time for your testimony to miracles. Kelp! Then kelp is also from the sea. Ha ha ha, you chose one originally. You always wanted to choose, then you can't help it. Ha ha ha, then sit and eat by yourself. Shaozi, let's sit while watching TV, not kelp. Who do you despise? Ha ha ha! That comes to eat buns. Hey, Dad! I'll show you what the feeling is. Don't laugh. A spicy fat. She take mushrooms I and love vegetables. All this stuff here. And eggs. Wait a minute. Eggs. I only eat egg whites. I'd look for that. Brother, everyone ate it. How can Dad eat this? Hey! No. I won't eat that egg yolk. How can a father eat like you? What's wrong with that? Dad, let me make you that cereal. Okay. Today this bun and eggs are mine. Come on, Dad. Okay. I taste. Okay. I'll give you this drink. Okay. Delicious. Then drink slowly. There will be more after drinking. Humph, what's so remarkable about you? You are the only one with filial piety. It smells good. Watermelon is alive. I tell you how to live. This cereal is really good. It tastes creamy, salted, soft, waxy. I feel quite full. Where did you buy it? Very expensive. It's not expensive. This one. Send you. How about a lot? Okay. Hey, Dad. This egg is for you to eat. I don't eat egg yolks. I'll eat it then. Ouch, my mom, ha ha ha. It smells so good. Oops. Then you're full. Oh. Dad, wait a minute. I have one more dish. I believe you. Come, Dad, eat your food. My, give. You are so selfish. Here comes the drumstick. Mom, hey, eat chicken sass. And so forth. What's going on? Mom, what's the matter today? What are you trying to do? Wipe your mouth. Shaozi, look good. Mom had the meat first. Is this a surprise for my brother? Mom is so kind to brother. Go ask my son to wash his feet indeed. Why are you still sitting? Oh yeah! Shuichu washed his feet indeed. Here it comes. I'm addicted to the game again. Eat noodles! Mom, I see there was a plate buckled in the back just now. Are you hiding something good again? Hahaha-san, you are so smart. This makes you find out. That's the hard dish Mom made for you. If there are hard dishes, don't pick them up yet. What about your noodles? Who eats noodles? Hard dishes for sure. Take. Come on. Hard dishes are coming. Oh, I eat hard vegetables for me. Well, you do. I eat hard vegetables. Wait, son. Those dishes are delicious. Eat later. Oh, I see. Mom, I get it. Don't you give him to eat. I just play the game and I eat again. Ouch, my mom. Shaozi, can you eat more? Although my brother always rubs me off, but my mother always secretly hides delicious Mom is food so kind to me. Mom really understands brother. Only face to face. I won't eat it. Is it delicious? Do you eat it? Mom doesn't eat it. You eat it. Not bad. It was delicious. It's very good in American. I'm starving. Are you full? Have you finished? San is full. You eat yours. I've had my fill. Brother, it's not over yet. I'm eating my hard vegetables. My hard vegetables. Eat noodles. I'm so happy to eat for my hard vegetables. What is this? Okay. Look, Mom prepared this hard dish for you today. Is it hard or not? Hey! Here we go. Thank you, Mom. It's for my son. I also like to eat this scrambled egg with vegetables. Here's another dish. There's another one. This is also for my son. Come on, son. Put it here. Thanks, Mom. The buns your son's mother gave you don't seem to be enough to eat. It's really not enough. Shaozi, why don't you have any asset now? All your buns are for your brother to eat. Don't even think about eating a single bun. Mom gave it to my brother. Then I'll wait again. What is this? Hello, the takeout has arrived. Leave it at the door. Shaozi, go get the barbecue. Barbecue is good. Barbecue. Me, my mother. What barbecue? You eat barbecue. You have a clip. What else to eat barbecue? You can't choose one thing. Choose one. What a barbecue. Mom, is this for me? That's Shaozi. I gave you a clip. Take it. I'll give you a clip. Hahaha. Then you can eat it. You take it first. You put this here. I eat barbecue. You take it first. Then do you eat jiao? My mom. Mom said I can only eat one. Mom will feed you. You eat. I clip it myself. Barbecue. Son, there are oysters in there that Mom baked for you. And beef skewers. Lamb skewers. You wait for Shaozi to go away. You can see it and want to eat it. Okay, eat later. So much delicious food for you to eat. Sure enough, Ginger is still my mother's thoughtful. Barbecue here. Barbecue is delicious. Eat a banana. Xie-Li-san is really gullible. Shaozi, you can eat more quickly. If it's exposed, you won't have to eat it. The corn buns are really delicious with Mom's fried dishes. Hey! Mom, I'll clip it for you after you finish eating. Ah, it smells good. Here! Shaozi eats so good. I really want to eat a sandwich too. It's really cheap for him today. It's called ha. It's time for my barbecue. Ha. Chili. Oops, my mom, ha. What about the barbecue? Still want to eat barbecue? Eat your fart. Ha. Bang命. This is a bit of a sad dish. What's wrong, Mom? Mom, you don't have enough to eat. Buy you some rice. That's fine. Thank you, Mom. Shaozi's for your brother to eat. Mom, is there anything else to eat? Your brother doesn't eat enough. What else do you want to eat? Wait! Mom has prepared a delicious meal for you. Then you go get it. Do you see it? He is my own. There are still delicious candy in the bag. Come. Say, Mom's barbecue for you. Barbecue. Come and eat. There is barbecue. Here you go. I'll just eat some barbecue and be done. No. Get some rice. It smells good. I have barbecue. You don't have it. Don't make you cry. Barbecue. Wait, the beef skewers and mutton skewers that Mom got you over there. Lots of meat. Eat later. Yeah, I see. Mom. I'll have a cereal first. Sparkling cereal. Mom, I'll give you a drink. Okay. Xie-Li-san is really gullible. What are you looking at? Ouch, my mom don't have it. It's delicious. Today is a piece of conscience. He offered to make me a cup of coconut milk oatmeal. It smells good. This oatmeal is really good, isn't it? It's creamy, salted, soft, waxy. I also feel quite Where did you get it? Very expensive. Brother, I bought this in the small yellow bag below. This is coconut milk, probiotic cereal. Family, I recommend this delicious cereal to everyone. Coconut milk probiotic cereal. The ingredient list in this one is very clean and without any addition. Zero flavor, zero added cane sugar, and it's still zero trans fatty acid. Then each bag is individually packaged to carry. Eat it yourself or give it to parents. Relatives very suitable. Eat too much big fish and meat as usual. Eat this cereal once in a while. It's just right. It can also be used as breakfast or afternoon very tea good. If you place an order now, there will be you all 9 got 1 box, 2 boxes, 3 boxes. I also sent the package to everyone. If you like it, your family can hurry up and take a picture. You all 9 free boxes. Yes, you buy more. When I don't eat at night, I make a drink. I bought a lot. This anti-hunger mother also loves to drink. Okay. Are you ready to eat? I'll have barbecue. What's the situation? Ouch, my mom. The lettuce. What about the barbecue? You still want to eat barbecue? More than 40 people. I can't even find a wife. Go out and find your wife. You know how to grab food every day. Hurry up. Hey, Mom is here, and there are eggs. Mom, I'll get you an egg. Wait, my son hasn't come yet. Go ask my son to wash his feet indeed. Okay. Being a mother has to be even. Mom told you to wash your feet indeed. Come on, wash your feet every day. Wash your feet every day. Washed out. Hey, are there eggs? Well, come and feed me. The noodles are not enough. So be it. Shaozi, don't eat it. Give your brother what to eat. That's more like it. What do I eat? Hey, the takeout has arrived. Leave it at the door. Well, Shaozi, go get the takeout. What takeout? Mom called the barbecue. Barbecue is really there.
真有。
Mom, it's barbecue. This is barbecue. Mom called it just for you. Barbecue for me. I eat barbecue. Mom. Who did you call? HMPH. Of course it's for my baby boy. Give it to my son. Give it to me and take your broken noodles away. Who wants to eat noodles? My barbecue. Don't make trouble, son. Eat later. Look at the piggy's ass. Looking straight at your barbecue. I want to eat. Don't look. Silly son is really gullible. Mom, do you eat eggs? Mom, eat you eat. I spilled the soup. I knew Mom was the best for me. Although my brother always steals my mom always helped me secretly. Barbecue, my barbecue. This barbecue is delicious. I'm starving. It's too exciting to steal meat under my nose. Eat the meat before my brother finds out. Save him a while to grab it. If he knew. Then I don't have to eat. Someone This little wisdom can't stop his mouth. Annoying. You leave me some. I'll get it for you later. Ah, it smells so good. Oops. That's how the mustard is eaten. Mustard is delicious. Did you buy? I just took 2 bags. Tender, crisp and refreshing. I bought these in the small yellow bag below, brother. Family members recommend one to everyone. This is the mustard heart I'm eating. It belongs to the Bedford. This mustard heart is very delicious. They are all peeled and peeled. Only keep this cabbage heart and it's make very delicious. Pair it with a wet porridge in the morning with a noodle for lunch. Or rice. They are all very delicious. And like usual, I eat too much this once in a while. Well, the mustard hearts are very crisp and refreshing. Right. And now there are still activities to place an order. 9 to get a full 15 bags. I also sent the package to families who like it can hurry up and take a picture. 95 packs. So a good deal. Yes, it's delicious if you buy more. Why are you full? Now it's finally my turn. If you are full, you will take me to eat barbecue. Ha ha ha. Burn! I really cracked this. Instant noodles. What? Ha ha ha. I want to eat dog shit every day and I want to eat barbecue. Come on, Chao-san, let's wash the dishes. Aha.